Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with E-Trade account setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin your E-Trade account setup, visit the E-Trade website. Once there, locate the Open an Account button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a page where you can choose the type of account you want to open. Select from options such as individual brokerage account, retirement accounts, or managed accounts. After choosing your account type, click Continue to proceed. You will now need to provide your personal information. Fill in details such as your name, date of birth, social security number, and address. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any issues later. Next, you will be asked to create a unique username and password. Choose a username that is easy to remember but hard for others to guess. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. After setting up your login credentials, you will be prompted to enter your financial information. This may include your employment status, income, and net worth. Complete these fields to help E-Trade understand your financial background. Once your financial information is entered, review all the details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, move on to the next section. Here, you will have to agree to the terms and conditions. Read through the agreement carefully before accepting it. After accepting the terms, you may need to provide additional verification documents. Prepare to upload or submit these documents as required. Following the document submission, you will be guided to submit your application. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation message. This message may include your application number for reference. Wait for an email regarding the approval of your account. Approval times may vary, so check your email regularly. Once approved, you will receive instructions on how to fund your account. Follow those instructions to deposit funds into your new E-Trade account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.